Kansai region style okonomiyaki. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Dried bonito stock. Water 250 milliliters. Boil water and remove from heat. Dried bonito flakes. Add in the dried bonito flakes and rest for 1 to 2 minutes. Lay a paper towel on the strainer and strain for 1 minute. Do not squeeze as it may result in bitterness. Cut the ingredients. Cabbage 200 grams. Chop the cabbage in 1 centimeter squares. Green onions, half. Chop the onions small. Chinese yam, 25 grams. Peel the yam and grind. Dough. Bonito stock. Chinese yam, 25 grams. Cake flour, 100 grams. In a bowl, pour the bonito stock, yam strained in the flour, and mix until it foams. Mix in the ingredients. In a 1 serving bowl, add in half of the dough. Cabbage 200 grams. Green onion, half. Tenkasu, red pickled ginger. Egg. Cabbage, green onion, tenkasu, pickled ginger, and egg. Mix with a spoon. Vegetable oil. Heat oil on a pan and pour out the dough. Make an 18 centimeter radius circle with even width. Sliced pork lard meat, 100 grams. Lay out pork on top. After 3 minutes and the edge starts to dry, flip over. Place the lid and steam for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip over again to heat for another 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy. Worcestershire sauce. Mayonnaise. Powdered seaweed. Dried bonito flakes, 8 grams. Kansai region style okonomiyaki. Again, here are the ingredients for 2 servings.